The telecommunications industry has a bright future in China as operators continue to provide top 5G coverage while leveraging the huge potential of the domestic market, said Ericsson's Chief Technology Officer for the Asia Pacific.
If you look on Chinese operators, I think they've done very well in terms of rolling out and starting business on 5G. In China, all subscribers are using 5G standalone, and that means that all the innovation that's now happening is on the standalone architecture. So I think China is very advanced on applying the 5G technology to different industries such as manufacturing, etc. I think other operators in the world can take good inspiration from what's being done in China. We've been in China for a very long time, and we're very happy to be there and to be relevant in the local market. China is a huge domestic market and has a lot of strength by leveraging that. I'm very clear on that there will be good advancements by just leveraging the domestic potential. Add on top of that what the operators are doing by providing good 5G coverage and driving the business of 5G now. I'm very optimistic for China.